Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I've got a few things here going on with this set of vertical blinds. Wanted to kind of just go over, when is it time to just go ahead and replace the whole head rail. With this one, what I've got going on is when you slide it in the track, the deal starts to come out of the track, and what happened with this one is it was bent in shipping at some point, and so what's happening is you can see how this is all kind of hanging out of the track because of the bend, and you can keep kind of resetting it or trying to lube it or whatnot, and it's just given such a hard time. Definitely on this one, better off changing that head rail. When I order new head rails, what I try to do is order 2 at a time. That way when they send them in the box, it supports the box and you're less likely to get stuff bent during shipping. So what I'm going to do is bring these all the way over. And that run was pretty reasonable. But as it's pulling along, it takes a lot of pulling power to pull it, and it's just going to cause things to get broken. I've also got a couple gears that aren't turning properly, so time to replace them. Okay, got just a fast way I found recently when you're pulling these vertical lines. You can actually grab like 3 or 4 at a time. Lift up and pull to the side. Usually you just get one of them, right? But what's kind of nice is I found the other day that I can actually grab 3 or 4 all at the same time. In each hand. Just changing them out nice and fast. Pull there. When I need to change the head rail. And we've got 5 on that round. So just change them really fast. Okay, with the balance clip, when you're removing it, we'll remove it from the front. Nice and easy. And when you put it on, you want to put it on from the back. If you don't, it can actually break it. It can break those little plastic clips there. So put it on from the back and then put it on at the front. Okay, for removing the head rail, what you can do is get behind there and just pop and if you want to turn it to the front. And this one there, you can see really that bend that I was telling you about. It's so bent that no matter what you do, it's going to keep coming out of the track. Got a couple bends, most likely wasn't shipping. But that's the culprit right there. If you were really tight, and didn't want to replace it, you could try to bend that back, but most likely at this point, here's another bend. It's going to be better to replace it. It's just going to give you a hard time for the future. Sometimes it's just wind to say wind. And then that one, that's the same wind. Okay, here goes the new head rail. First, I kind of slide them all to the back, rotate it so they're all straight, and then line it up with the other one, reach it up and tip it in, just like that. Just tip it into the locks, and now it's all locked in. With the wand, just go at the correct angle. There we go. Rotate everything and make sure everything rotates, and then make sure everything's flipped in. This one again, I'm tipping it, getting it into the tooth of the deal, and rotate it and flip it in. And that's that. Okay, when installing the vertical blinds, nice easy way is to take them all together, and because they lend strength to each other, being closer to each other, it makes it a lot easier to stack these up into the deal. And rotate it so they're all nice and together, and then just one by one put them in. Unfortunately, it's not like taking them out where I can grab 4 of them, and you can't do that going in. You got to go one by one going in. No problem. Just got about half of the stack together. Bring them all together. This one has a blade saver on one deal. description below for those, a similar type of blade saver, which is if it broke right at the top there. Nice to be able to. I mean, it's easy enough to just replace it with a new blade, but sometimes in a pinch, those blade savers come in handy. And be careful when you're hanging these out. Some of the vertical blind companies keep making these things thinner and thinner, and they can actually be sharp enough to give you paper cuts. This particular brand that I'm putting up isn't too bad about that. It's gotten a little better, but I've seen some that are really sharp. Another area to be careful for is the handrail. I've donated blood quite a few times. My friend donated blood the other day on the one I just took out. Something to be aware of. Spare you some trouble. He actually got one finger on each hand. Things could happen. And working in there is just very, very sharp. So, like razor blade, unfinished metal. So these are self-aligning blinds, which is kind of nice. They'll straighten themselves out as you rotate them. The problem with that is they're almost too easy to turn out of step. And too easy for the gears to come out. So if you got one slat that won't turn at all, you might check my video on replacing the cones here. That's often what happens. All right, all in there. And this is a little closer to the wall. The other thing is these come out real easy, so sometimes you gotta watch to make sure they're actually hanging on the deal. And now our deal rotates much easier. We've got some of these out of step. Something stubborn. Always something. It's about half of these not turning them together. I'm just going to turn these in by hand. Pop them over. You know, they use self-aligning. Go back in a little funny. There we go. All in. Rotate all the way up and workable. I have to look at what is actually going on. What it looks like is maybe this whole headrail is too close to the wall, and we're hitting the wall down here at this bottom side. So probably need to change the brackets on this one. Something to work out. It looks like someone reused the original brackets and it doesn't actually extend out far enough to clear the wall. So just things to watch out for that are probably grief in the future. Better to work them out while you can and have less and less trouble down the road. At least in theory. I do have a video showing how you can extend those just a little bit, and then, Lord willing, I'll be making a video soon showing how to replace the vertical blind brackets with brackets that will extend out a bit more. So be on the watch out for that. How to replace vertical blind brackets so they extend